This is how to add signatures in Gmail. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your Gmail, guys. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon over here or the settings on the top right. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to see all the settings. So guys, from here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here signature. So as you can see, it is right here, and just simply create new over here and click on this. And after that, just simply provide a signature name. I'm gonna go for help and click on create. And after that, you'll be able to customize it over here, and you'll be able to add a description. You'll be able to edit it. So it will be depending on you, and you'll be able to add the link and so on. And from here, if you want to add a picture, guys, just click on this and you'll be able to add some images. So let's say I'm going to add this one and click on select. And from here, when I click on the picture, I can choose whether it is small, medium, large. So I'm going to go for medium. And from here, you can actually organize it, guys, depending on your own preference. And now just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here for new email use no signature. So it will be depending on you whether you want to tag the customized signature that you have. And you can also toggle this on where you are going to reply or forward. You'll be able to add a signature as well. And from here, you will have this option as well where you can check this box, which it will insert signature before quoted text in replies and remove this icon and the line that precedes it. So it will be depending on your own personal preference. And now, once you are done, just simply scroll down and make sure to save the changes. And now, guys, when you click on compose, as you can see, you will automatically have your customized signature over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.